Today we will introduce a professional battery manufacturer, Shenzhen YaBo Power Technology Company.
Founded in 2003, the company now has more than 4,000 square meters of factory and more than 100 employees.
Our company has passed ISO 9001 quality certification. We are a high-tech enterprise. All of our products are compliant with the international standard, and some of our products already got UL, KC, CB, IEC 2133 certifications. Our products include home storage batteries, inverter, 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volt series Lifepo4 batteries. 18650 battery packs. All using grade A level cells.
Now let's take a look at our production line. This is an automatic sorting machine, which can classify batteries based on parameters. This is our automatic welding machine. This is our aging test cabinet. All the products are 100% tested before leaving the factory.
We are the source factory, and we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price. You are not just buying a product, but also better service. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.